Hey everybody, Chris McMonagle here from LMI Technologies. And today we'll be doing a quick demonstration of using a laser line profile for inline assembly verification. And today we're going to be looking at this bottle cap to validate whether or not it's screwed in all the way or not. So what we have set up here is a Gocator laser line profiler. We're going to be taking a few scans and setting up some tools in the onboard web interface. So these are tools built into the sensor head that can scan, control, and send the output of the result to external systems. So what we'll do here is we'll take our first scan, and you'll see that we've positioned our surface position tool right on the center of the cap. And what we're going to be looking at is the Z height position to validate whether or not it's been screwed in all the way. I've already set up some acceptance criteria as far as the positioning of the height, so green check mark shows that we're good. Now if I go ahead and pull this out and we unscrew the cap a little bit, we'll take another scan and we see that we get a failing component in this case. So this is a very simple and effective method to do some inline process verification checks, some assembly checks, and really cycle through components very fast.